Dear students, in the short answer type question, now we are going to see question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So student, starting from question number 4, it is explain the chemical reaction of oxygen with metals by giving example. So students, for giving the reaction of oxygen with metal, you can see here that metal react with oxygen to give metal oxide. Students, आप यहाँ देख पाएंगे whatever metal it is, suppose we are taking sodium metal, it react with oxygen and it forms sodium oxide, that is metal oxide. Similarly student, you can see when we are taking potassium metal and we are reacting it with oxygen, then it form potassium oxide. So metal react with oxygen to give metal oxide. Okay, this is the basic reaction. Now student, talking about question 5, so explain the chemical reaction of water with metals. We have to give the chemical reaction of metal with water. So students, metals react with water to form, they may form metal oxide or they may form metal hydroxide along with hydrogen gas. So here students, you can see we are reacting sodium with water and it forms sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH along with hydrogen. Or you can see that magnesium react with water and it gives magnesium oxide and hydrogen. Now students, talking about question number 6, so it is basically that draw the label diagram of blast furnace. So I will send you this picture and you have to draw this diagram. Okay, and this blast furnace is made for the extraction of iron. Now students, talking about question number 7, that is write the chemical reaction of sodium with water and oxygen. So earlier also students, we have discussed both the question that when sodium react with water, it forms sodium hydroxide along with hydrogen, and when sodium react with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide, that is Na2O. Okay, and student, question number 8 is differentiate between roasting and calcination. So students, I have given you this question earlier also, so you can write down from there also or you can write down from here also. So roasting is basically, it is the process in which sulfide ore is heated in excess of air to change it into oxide ore, and calcination is basically the process in which the carbonate ore is heated in absence of air and it also change into oxides. Okay, and student, these are the reactions for roasting and calcination. Now students, there is a question that is write the name of formula in the blank spaces. So zinc react with H2SO4, here you have to write 4, that is sulfuric acid, so it forms ZnSO4, zinc sulfate. When magnesium is reacted with water, magnesium oxide is formed. When Mg is react with hydrochloric acid, H2 is as a byproduct. When CaSO4 react with iron, it forms ferrous sulfate, and when sodium react with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide. So these are the fill in the blanks. I will send you the pics, you have to write down it from there in your notebook. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture class. You will for sure write down all the exercise of question number 1 also, 2 also, and now we are discussing question number chapter 3. So chapter 3 we have fulfilled the long answer type question, completed it. Now we are discussing the short answer type question, and in the short answer type question few questions were left. Thank you class.